The Promethean Timer app is perfect for managing activities, assessments, and more within your classroom. To access Timer, select Applications from the menu, then Timer from the Applications locker. The Timer app opens. There are 3 modes: Clock, Timer, and Stopwatch. Tap whichever title is currently displaying to toggle between the 3 modes. Within each mode exists 2 viewing options: full screen and floating. Tap the expand collapse arrows to toggle between full screen and floating. When in floating mode, tap and hold to move it anywhere on your screen. Within the clock, tap the gear to switch between digital and analog. You may also select display options, such as 24 hours and seconds. Within the timer, choose between presets including 30 seconds, 1 minute, 10 minutes, or 1 hour. Or use the arrows to customize your own timer. Press the Start button to initiate. Use the Pause button to pause and resume the timer, or the Reset button to reset. Tap the gear to access more options. With the stopwatch in use, simply tap the Start button to begin. Use the Pause and Reset buttons as needed. Tap the gear to access a milliseconds option. Regardless of which mode you are in, clock, timer, or stopwatch, simply tap the plus sign to create a new one. You can create and use any combination of up to 4 clocks, timers, or stopwatches at the same time. This applies to both full screen and floating modes. Tap the X to close each clock, timer, or stopwatch.